Global travel is a tonic for the body and mind. Physically, it promotes wellness through diverse activities and landscapes. Mentally, exposure to new cultures fosters cognitive flexibility, reducing stress. The combination of physical activity and mental stimulation during travel contributes to overall health, making it an essential investment in well-being. Cinque Terre, a breathtaking coastal region in Italy. Enchants visitors with its colorful cliffside villages. Rugged coastline. And terraced vineyards. Comprising 5 charming villages. Monterosso al Mare, the largest of the 5 villages, known for its beautiful beaches and historic center. Vernazza, a picturesque village with a natural harbor, a medieval tower, and vibrant waterfront. Cornelia. Perched on a cliff, Cornelia offers breathtaking views and a quieter atmosphere. Manarola, famous for its colorful houses and the iconic Via dell'Amore, meaning Lover's Lane. And Rio Maggiore, the southernmost village, known for its charming harbor and historic buildings. Cinque Terre offers stunning hiking trails with panoramic views of the Ligurian Sea. The region's picturesque scenery, vibrant culture, and fresh seafood delicacies make it a haven for travelers seeking natural beauty and authentic Italian charm. Cinque Terre's food delights with fresh seafood, Ligurian pesto, and gelato, blending coastal flavors amid Mediterranean vistas. Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in northern Italy, boast breathtaking alpine landscapes with jagged peaks, lush valleys, and pristine lakes. A paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. It offers unparalleled hiking, skiing, and rock climbing opportunities. Charming mountain villages, like Cortina d'Ampezzo, provide a cozy retreat, while the unique pink hues of the Dolomite Mountains create a surreal backdrop. Whether seeking adventure or serenity, the Dolomites charm with their natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Amalfi Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a mesmerizing stretch of coastline in southern Italy, known for its dramatic cliffs. Colorful villages and azure waters. The picturesque towns of Amalfi, Positano, and Ravello. Offer stunning panoramic views, historic architecture, and charming streets to explore. Visitors can indulge in delicious Mediterranean cuisine. Relax on beautiful beaches. And embark on scenic coastal hikes. With its romantic ambience, rich history, and natural beauty, the Amalfi Coast promises an unforgettable Italian coastal experience.